loMzantsi Afrika liphawula indima edlalwa ngabasetyhini kule nyanga. Njengesiqhelo ke osopolitiki benza intetho ubusuku nemini besenza izithembiso ezingafezekiswayo kunye nemisitho ebhiyozela amanina. Kodwa ke eneneni nasenyanisweni abemibeli bathi bona akukho nto bazingca ngayo kule nyanga. Ubusuku nemini amanina ngene ephuma kwizitishi zamapolisa ezinkundleni becela ukhuseleko ngakwabo babaxhaphazayo. Baphuma ke kwizitishi zamapolisa bephethe imiyalelo yokhuselo, phetshana elo elimelwe ukuqinisekisa ngokhuseleko lwabo, kodwa nangona oku akubakhuseleki ekubethweni nasekubulaweni. Namhlanje ke inkqubo ye-Asikhulume iza kube ixovula lo mba, ukanti ke apha emagumbini osasazo sikhwebe umdidiyeli wale nkqubo uNokubonga Mngwenya usixelela banzi ngesingakulindela ngalemva kwemini. Nokubonga, masikubulise sikwamkele SABC lihaye, sibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho.
Angibonge Kholosi, ngiphinde ngibonge nakumbukeli ekhaya ngimfusele.
Nokubonga qabaqaba ngesingathi sikulindele kwi-Asikhulume.
Namhla ehlelweni Asikhulume sinetheme yethu lesiyibukako lefaka phakathi bamvulabasikati emhlabeni wonke jikelele, njengoba wade ukuthi kule nyanga sibungada bamvulabasikati. So itheme yethu lesiyibukako imayelana ne-GBV, kuhlukubeda ngokwebulili. So siyobe sikhuluma ngaloko, sibuke ukuthi in terms of ama-protection orders after sebahlukubedekile labamvulayo, that small paper, does it guarantee ukuthi umuntu uyavikeleka yini ngalo mvula suka amhlukubeda?
Siyaqonda into yokubana phakathi kwezinto enizenzayo ni-Asikhulume nithethe nabantu ekuhlaleni. Ingaba niyenzile loo nto, abantu bathini?
Siyendile leyo nto leyo ke wena Kholosi, I don't wanna lie, bamvu baphatheke kabi la ngaphandle, baveta ema-issues la different and lamaningi kakhulu lekufaka phakathi kokuthi lo muntu nangabe sewumvulele leyo case leyo ukuthi uyakuhlukubeda uphinza buyatokwenda lokho. They are asking questions actually to say, how come does it happen ngendlela yokuthi uma sekangihlukubedile umuntu ngimvulele i-protection order aphinza buyatochubeka kwende lokho, because kwangathi lawo ma-boundaries lekufanele abe khona akabi khona. Labanye abantu kuyastata ku-protection order ukuthi angaze afike kuleyo ndawo lapho umuntu ahlala khona lasuka amhlukubedile, but to a point uthola ukuthi loyo muntu loyo phinza atholakale aya kuleyo ndawo, which is not fair. Akugcini lapho ke bayabulawa abamvulabasikati nakusile Kholosi, which is very concerning, and sifisa kwadi ukuthi yini kahle kahle lengendiwa. Bavete phakathi ngokuthi kuhlukubeda ngokwebulili akufaki kuphela ukuthi umuntu ashajwe, bayadlengulwa, bayabulawa. Sithi yini le mhlambe government kufanele ayende ukucinisa lo mthetho?
Indoni uhulumende kumele ba uyayenza ukusiphula nengcambu oku? Mhlawumbe kubantu abasuka ebuhulumenteni ngaba khona amasebe enithe nawamema into okubana abe inxalenye yale ngxoxo?
Department of Social Development, but they are not coming on board again. We are very disappointed, I don't want to lie, Kholosi, because each and every time we try to invite them to come over for a very important discussion like this one as well, they don't answer to our emails. This time around, they did not even speak or try to respond to any email, not to even any WhatsApp messages to say maybe they're confirming to come or they've received the message. We are just left on read.
Ingaba khona amanyathelo enizawathatha niyinkqubo ye-Asikhulume, kuba xa uthetha ngelisebe ndiyacinga into yokubana lityeli lesithathu bengasabeli enxani bame benkqubeni?
Well, I'm not sure mhlambe sesingava kubaphathi bethu ukuthi mhlambe yini le bangasendela yona, because as producers thina sibantwana la kule company mhlambe singayiniketa abadali bethu ukuthi bayibuke kule company ukuthi mhlambe i-Department of Social Development siyithola kanjani igcineni nangabe siyayidzinga ukuthi itokhulumisana nalama topics labaluleke kangaka.
Mhlambe niye nadlana indlebe nemibutho engenzi inzuzo ukuzama into yokubana inikeze inkxaso ingakumbi xa kuziwa kuxinzelelo lwengqondo, kuba uba ngaba mhlawumbe uzoba nonkqonkqoza kwizitishi zamapolisa kungekho mpendulo, loo nto leyo ide ibe kanti ibangela uxinzelelo lwengqondo. Ingaba mhlawumbe niye nadlana indlebe nemibutho?
Cha, asikadlani indlebe ke lapho ke, but what I can guarantee you namuhla ukuthi kuko konke lokho tobe kwenteka ehlelweni Asikhulume namhlanje mbama nga5 siyobe sinasihle who is a GBV activist lato ukhuluma mhlambe also with other people's experiences nangokuthi yena udlala yipi inzima exiteni bantu labahlukubedwa ngekweblili. We also have advocate Brenda Madumiso Pachibo lotobe naye dlana nathi indlebe akhulume nebantu bakhona uku-understand ukuthi in terms of kuhle kubedwa ngokwebulili ngiyiphi inzima lebangayidlala akhona nikuba advisor because we also have a case lesinayo on our scene setter from Durban le Brenda yena ngekwakhe abe bese uyakhona ukuthi abasite ukuthi bavule i-case after babulalelwe mvanabo ngi-ex-boyfriend yakhe so Brenda actually sho ukuthi i-director ye-Wise for Africa i-Wise for Africa ke yona iba bese iyabasita ukuthi bavule lawo ma-cases lawo she's an advocate
nokubonga sizobanga amehlo sibeze indlebe sibukele iasikhulume enkosi kakhulu ngokuba wabelana nathi nababukeli nengathi bakulindele ngokuhloka namhlanje